Tullys Domestic Appliances was established in 1988. The business has been built on a solid foundation derived from a good reputation and mainly word-of-mouth recommendations. It is now one of the few German appliance specialists in the country and has gone from strength to strength in providing first-class products and service. If you're looking for top-of-the-range appliances and big brand names such as Siemens, Bosch, Zanussi and more, then look no further than Tullys Domestic Appliances. Come and visit our recently refurbished showroom and come and see for yourself why we're an award-winning supplier of quality products.